In this question on inequalities, we're told that n is an integer, which means a whole number, and we're told that n is in between -1 and 4. But this sign here means it can be equal to -1 because it's less than or equal, and this sign here says less than rather than less than or equal, which means we cannot be equal to 4. So the possibilities here are all of the numbers in between -1 and 4, but not 4 itself. So we have -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. For the next part of this question, we're given an inequalities diagram and we need to write down the inequality that it represents. This shows that the numbers could be in between -4 and 3, but this shaded in circle right here represents the fact that it could be 3, but this open circle here means that it cannot be -4. So we need to choose our inequality signs carefully. So we have -4 less than x less than or equal to 3, and we've used less than or equal to here to show that it can be 3, but only a less than here to show that it cannot be 4. The letter that you choose here, I've gone for x. It could be n, in fact it could be any letter in the middle here. For the second part of this question, we have to solve this inequality. You treat inequalities a bit like you do equations, apart from there is an inequality sign and not an equal sign. So for this one, the first thing we will do is add 2 to both sides. So if we add 2 to this side, and then add 2 also to this side. On this side we get 3y, take away 2 plus 2 just becomes 3y, and this side becomes greater than 5 plus 2, which is 7. Then we divide both sides by 3, so divide by 3 on both sides. 3y divided by 3 is y, and then 7 divided by 3 we can simply write as 7 over 3. This is okay as a solution. You could turn this to a decimal, which would be y is greater than 2.3 recurring, but I'd advise not doing so just in case you forget to put the recurring sign. This is okay as an answer. So the answer is y is greater than 7 over 3.